No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hey, I'm doing a YouTube giveaway at the end. You better not go nowhere. Check it out. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and grill some of these up, grill these wings up real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what kind of seasoning that I'm gonna put on this here. I'm doing a giveaway, y'all, and this is gonna be in the packet for the giveaway. This is Charlie Mills' famous barbecue sauce mix. All right, so this is what I'm gonna put on it. On these wings, and I'm telling you, this is going to be real good. And so I got 6 whole wings here with the wing tips tucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on the grill, and I'm gonna get these prepped up for you right now. So in this here shaker, I got some of this here Charlie Mills famous barbecue barbecue seasoning. So I'm just gonna take it and sprinkle it right on top of these wings, and I want to coat both sides. And if you guys want to give this a try, I'm going to leave a description of this here stuff in the bottom. But trust and believe me, y'all, I'm not doing this for no type of review or nothing like that. I'm honest with you. This stuff is good. And I purchased this with my own money. So I don't have, the guy didn't send me this or nothing like that. So this is pretty much, man, some good stuff. Let me switch hands up and touch that meat. Then I'm gonna have to put some more seasoning in this thing. I done ran out, I done used it so much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this on the grill. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip these wings. Say, I want these wings to be done, you know what I mean? So, everybody want their wings to be done if they're cooking it, right? But I'm going to let these cook, man, for at least until the juices run clear in it, okay? And the temperature that I'll be looking for as far as the internal temp will be about 180 degrees. So I'm gonna take some of this here basting sauce that I got, because I'm basting this ham with it, and I say I'm just gonna try it on these wings, you know what I mean? It tastes good, it smells good, and if you want the recipe to this basting sauce, all you have to do is just watch that video where I did the ham, and you could definitely try this recipe. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna baste these up real good for y'all. I'm gonna close this lid and continue to let these wings cook. There we go. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and flip these chicken wings. They're looking mighty delicious over here, and it's smelling mighty good. Give these another base. I think I done fell in love with this here basting sauce. All right. Now let's get ready for the 2000K giveaway. All you have to do is just comment in the comment section to enter. Here are the items. First thing I'll be giving away is the Charlie Mills famous barbecue sauce mix. Then the second thing, you can make your own sausage with the maple flavored breakfast sausage. Now you can inject that turkey with some Cajun style marinade. You can do other stuff with this here. Now we have Carolina Cooker seafood boil. You could definitely get down with that. And we have Moss chicken breader batter. You understand what I'm saying? Moss chicken breader mix. So all you have to do is just comment in the comment section, and I know somebody's going to win. On Sundays, we will be trying something new. It is called Subscriber Shout Out Sunday. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like to have a shout out for your channel, all you have to do is go to the Show More section and fill out the subscriber form, and you will get a shout out from Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Now, this is another thing I like for you guys to do. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture, and you can also check out this video while you're here. So thank you, love and not hate. Peace, love you all. Before I go, love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.